Alright, here we go, guys. Break 159. We got a 13-14 Panini Playbook. Start off by showing Winnipeg, as usual. Last team for auction, Winnipeg, break 159. Ended March 14. $9.47. Let me close this. Right. There you go. Serial number NE 206553 257. Yep. Alright, here we go. Good luck to everyone. Thanks a lot for joining. And let's pull some nice cards. Empty. Alright. For Toronto, out of 249, David Clarkson. For the Boston Bruins, biography auto to 99 of Ray Bourque. And a double rookie class jersey booklet of JT Miller and John Merrill. So we're going to random that off between the Rangers and doubles. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Once, two, and three. New Jersey Devils. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much, and hope to see you next time. Peace.